Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a 2002 Yamaha Warrior that I want to show you. Kind of a dark gray color. Got the 102 cubic inch motor, that's 1670 cc's. It's an air-cooled V-twin with a 5-speed. A little air down here. Dual front disc brakes, inverted forks. Got a really good tire on the front. Been upgraded with these switchblade foot pegs here. They raise up, kind of give you a little different foot position there when you're riding. Upgraded shifter rod, shifter pedal. Notice the seat's got a couple little scratches around on it. Doesn't seem to be hurt. Belt drive bike. Looks good back here. It looks like a little dent right here on the fender. Here on the tank. Looks good. Don't see any kind of issues with that. I see a scratch here on the fender and a little dent right in there. Looks like something may have fallen on the fender. It's a little bit dusty out here. Stuff looks good. Got just a little rub right here. Over here on the tank, a little bit of the decals coming off. Put you a battery tender lead on it. It's got a Vance & Hines header on it. Sounds real good. These bikes are cruisers, but they're a performance cruiser. It's not like riding a big sluggish bike. These things are scat. Got a Corbin seat on it. Upgraded Avon hand grips, mirrors. Upgraded handlebars there. Kind of a chubby pullback drag bar. This bike's only got 7,797 miles. That's no mileage at all on an 02. I see there might be a little rock peck right here on the tank. Looks like it's got some lights up under there too. Runs good. Put it through our shop and had it checked out, so it's ready to ride. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.